You recording?
Looking for toys for me.
Looking for toys.
Yeah.
I got toys. I got.
We got me a harness. JD showing harness. Yeah. So now we're looking for a show tail. Look at my glorious tail. Oh, he's not
tail.
It's a bully.
Oh. I like that one. That one's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Which one should I get? I want.
Oh, it's a duck.
He's
Or
on duck.
something.
My mom had one.
It's not a duck. It's an animal.
Drop the base.
There you go. Dropped it.
JD, show yourself.
No.
Why?
Because I'm ugly.
No, you ain't. No.
Okay, fine. That's me. That was me.
I don't know what to
Tabby the cat is my name. I mean, that's a dog.
It's not a cat. I'm looking for toys, and everyone's looking at me funny. What are you doing? Gordon Mason.
Look at that thing. Oh, my Jesus.
Hello, world, and all that inhabited. That's scary. Sound chip inside. Sound chip.
Sound chip.
Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like that.
Say again, please.
Now, what if Krista was here? She'd be like, oh no.
I don't know.
Get away from me.
I don't know how to work this thing. Zoom in.
I don't think you can.
Oh.
Drop the...
Okay.
I'm gonna start vlogging.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at the tool.
Now.
Jake! I'm showing you. Okay. Yeah.
Rubber.
Rubber.
No, it says blubber.
Flubber. Flubbers.
Blubber. Fake
This
blubber.
is cool. I don't know.
Keeps squeaking even when punctured. Ugh.
What's this? Oh, it's a pig.
Sounds like they're chanting.
Satanic chant. I don't know which one I like.
What's a seitan?
A seitan?
Seitan.
The tan of saying that you've got a tan.
No, seitan.
Seitan. Tan. I don't even know. I'm acting like there's nothing here. It ribbits like a frog. Whoa! I don't like that. Do you think a dog would be all like, no? Frogga, frogga? Fraggle, fraggle. It smells really funny in here, doesn't it?
Oh, wow.
What? A flamingo?
Okay. If you take this flamingo here.
Ah!
Yeah, it's like there's a blasted bottle on the inside.
A blasted bottle.
You could win a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. What?
The toy. This reminds me of the... Have you seen the movie Bolt?
No.
Oh, well, he has like a toy carrot when he was little, and he was like...
Carrot?
Yeah, he was like barking at it. It was so cute.
What?
I don't know, JD. I just don't know.
Cookie Tuffers.
Oh,
From Martha Stewart.
a sponge. I can't find one that I want. Can't find nothing. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Hey, JD. Say cheese.
Cheap.
Cheap. Drop the boost. I don't even know.
Now this.
What?
One of the laziest things I've ever seen. A ball thrower.
Go fetch it, boy.
Go fetch.
I thought you were going to hit me in the face. I thought you were going to...
face.
I keep thinking you're going to hit me in the face.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, see.
Like I said, they did one mistake. They hit me in the face.
Oh, these aren't toys.
Or it must have hit my friend.
Gage. Gage it.
You mess with me, then mess with my
Oh, epic win. That's like, screw you.
That is awesome.
I can name...
Screw you, dog. You're staying in there.
No. No. Oh, this is the end of our video.
This is the end of the world.
No.
As we know it.